Do you ever get your paycheck, look at it, and think, where does it all go? You work hard, you're responsible, but somehow you're still living paycheck to paycheck. It feels like you're running on a treadmill, right? Well, what if I told you the problem isn't just your spending habits? What if your salary itself is designed to keep you broke? It sounds crazy, but stick with me. Relying only on a salary is a financial trap, and today we're going to break down why and what you can do about it. First, let's talk about the silent killer of your savings, inflation. Every year, the cost of everything from your coffee to your rent goes up. But does your salary go up at the same rate? Usually not. This means that even if you get a raise, your actual purchasing power is shrinking. Your hard-earned money is worth less and less over time. It's like trying to fill a bucket with a hole in it. You keep pouring more in, but the water level never seems to rise. Then there's lifestyle inflation. This is a sneaky one. You get a promotion and a nice raise, so you think, great. I can finally afford that nicer apartment, that new car, or those fancy dinners. Suddenly, your expenses grow right along with your income. Before you know it, you're back to feeling just as broke as you were before, but with more expensive stuff. You're not actually getting wealthier. You're just upgrading your financial treadmill. The comfort of a steady paycheck can create a dangerous illusion of stability, trapping you in a cycle where your net worth stays stagnant no matter how much you earn. So, how do you break free from this cycle? It starts with a mindset shift. Stop thinking about just earning a paycheck and start focusing on building your net worth. The first step is to create a smart budget. And I don't mean a restrictive, no-fun budget. I mean tracking where every single dollar goes. Use an app, a spreadsheet, whatever works for you. You'll be shocked to see where your money is really going. This isn't about cutting out everything you love. It's about being intentional with your spending. Once you know your numbers, you can start making your money work for you. Even small amounts can make a huge difference thanks to the magic of compounding. Let's say you start investing just $300 a month. That could be in low-cost index funds, ETFs, or stocks. Over time, that money doesn't just sit there. It grows, and the earnings on your investment start earning their own money. It's a snowball effect that can turn a small, consistent habit into serious wealth. But don't stop there. The real key to escaping the salary trap is creating additional income streams. This doesn't mean you have to quit your job. Think about starting a side hustle based on your skills or hobbies. Are you great at writing, graphic design, or organizing? You can freelance online. You could also explore passive income opportunities. These days, with AI tools, you can create and sell digital products, start a niche blog, or even manage a small e-commerce store with less effort than ever before. Let's look at a real-world example. Imagine someone earning $3,500 a month. They create a budget, find an extra $300 to invest each month, and start a small side hustle that brings in another $200 a month. That's $500 extra every month going towards building their wealth, not just paying bills. In 1 year, that's $6,000 plus any investment growth. That's a significant step toward financial freedom. It all starts with taking control. Your salary is a tool, but it's not the whole toolbox. You have the power to change your financial future. It's about being proactive, not reactive. Automate your savings and investments so that the first person you pay every month is yourself. Your salary is important, but it will not make you rich on its own. It's time to build a system where your money works for you 24/7. If you found this helpful and want more practical tips on how to grow your wealth and make your money make sense, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us here at the Cash Flow Hub. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.